Okay, what are we doing, Sarah?
Burning pictures. Ready?
But first, we're trying to rip the pictures. And the picture ripping isn't working.
It's not working. This is horse shit. I look crazy.
These are like crazy. What the hell? Oh. Those are like industrial pictures. Woo!
Right.
Okay, I'm going to show you how to use the torch. You push this in and then push this. Okay? Try it first once.
I don't have to push 2 things at once.
No, you just hold the other one once you're done. The black one. Does that feel good?
Yeah, it really does.
The blowtorch helps.
I feel almighty and powerful. It literally blows into the back of the fire. Oh. Oh, okay, one more. And a note. Oh, and it says here. No!
Oh, shit. Start waving something. My parents are gonna run. Okay, you ready? Come on.
I don't want to use that again.
No, I took the battery out. You're good.
Explain that this is strictly for your vlog. And I'm a little insane.
Just don't keep it on as long.
I didn't mean to. I was like... Oh, that's way more fun. And I can poke it.
Stab it. Just don't let it fling out or something. Because that would probably happen right now.
Nothing good ever happens past 2 a.m. or 1 a.m. I don't know.
What time is it?
It's like almost 3 in the morning.
Oh my
My
god.
dad's gonna be like, why are you still awake? Yeah, I went to my dad's room bum and I'm like, ugh.
How does it feel, Sarah?
Good. And now I have 1,000 more. I'm gonna burn them all.
Just come and stack it. That's what we'll start the fire with at the cabin when we ever going away. Do you want to introduce yourself to the vlog?
No. Not like this. Another time. When I'm not feeling as crazy. That's right. So I think of our relationship. Asshole.
So, to cap off our night, what happened? We saw a beaver.
Twice.
A bunch of deer.
Twice.
A random guy scared the shit out of me.
Once.
What else happened? The alarm went off. The fire alarm went off. We
right.
burned pictures.
We got Tim Hortons.
Oh, we got Tim Hortons.
Good one.
We're not even drunk.
Completely sober. I wish I was drunk. I'm freezing. I can feel like the chills in my legs. I'm like, it's cold.
I'm just crying. I'm laughing so much. It was a good night.
As soon as that went off, I was like, I can't.